Hey y'all, Swiss BT here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am coming to you guys with some after dark cleaning motivation. In this video, I have all the cleaning motivation you need to get it done before you go to bed. So I also include a Target and Home Depot haul in this video as well. So hope you guys enjoy, and let's get right into it. So first things first, I have this kind of hot mess of a pile up in the foyer area, the front hallway. So I am just removing all of the address labels off of all the boxes. So I think that this is really important. I don't know if you guys do this, but I definitely take the time to remove my actual address from boxes and packages and things like that. So I typically will do this like a couple times a week. Yep, I know, a couple times a week, because that's how many times we're getting packages. It's ridiculous, but at this point I'm just used to it. So I just have a trash bag there. I'm just going through, cutting up our address, and I'm going to clean up this hallway, putting up the paper towels and the water that's stacked there, and just get this space open again. Also, reason why we have so many paper towels at the front right now is because we did get our paper towel shipment in this week. So I use Amazon Subscribe and Save for a lot of my kind of paper goods, so paper towels, toilet paper, reoccurring cleaning items, those types of things. And so if you follow me on IG, you know I'm like stand by using Amazon Subscribe and Save. It's a lifesaver for just my overall thought process and not forgetting household items. So if you're like me and you just need a little something to just help make life easier, definitely check out Amazon Subscribe and Save. I'll have my Amazon shop linked in the description box down below. I put together a little like a store part of that little list that includes all of the items that I get on a reoccurring shipment, whether it's monthly, bi-monthly, or quarterly. So definitely check it out. It made my life easier for sure. Also, if you guys are wondering a little bit more about some of the items that we do have here in our entryway, I do have a full tour link down below with all of the details, so feel free to check that out. All right, so I am going to share some of the items that we picked up from Target, Amazon, and Home Depot. So first things first is this door paint. Y'all, look at the can. Like, how disrespectful. So I ordered 2 of these black Rust-Oleum door paint cans. I ordered them on Amazon. They just weren't packaged appropriately, which this is the first time that this has happened, but luckily they're not busted open. So we have some projects coming up, and we're going to be using that door paint for that, so stay tuned. I also picked up some sidewalk chalk. So I got this for Little Bear. Well, I guess really for me and Little Bear. But also picked up some Fabuloso. We love Fabuloso, and this scent smells so good. I think it's the like fresh breeze or something like that. But I also picked up a little sewing kit because I can't find my other one, and that was just a few bucks from Target, so picked that up. I don't know why I'm looking at the Fabulous. Oh, I'm talking to Bear. That's what it was. I'm talking to him, and it's a bleach alternative. So anyways, picked up some Crystal Lights. We love Crystal Light. It actually helps us drink more water, when it's nice and flavored. So picked up these 2 flavors. Well, actually it's 3 flavors: peach tea, lemon tea, and the pomegranate cherry, which is so good. Those are our 3 favorites right now. Also grabbed some candy. So these are like the movie theater candy, and you can see how excited we are about this candy. So picked them up from Target, but I think next time we're going to get like the big bulk boxes from Sam's, but we're adding those into the theater room, y'all. So excited. We're gonna have candy on display. So I do have a tour coming up, a room tour coming up of that space, so more to come. But picked up these little water guns. They're just little squirt guns so that we can kind of spruce up our outdoor playtime. They were just like $2 or $3 from Target, so I mean, why not? It's still summer, so got those for Little Bear, and a bubble little wand, but I was misled because the picture showed that there were 3 bubbles, like 3 of these bubble bars, but for some reason whenever I got it there was only 1, so maybe I just misunderstood the picture. But I also grabbed these Lysol toilet bowl cleaners. So we have 2 bathrooms upstairs, and we don't really live upstairs as much, so those bathrooms don't get used. So I went ahead and grabbed those so that we could put those in those toilets upstairs, as well as this new mop that you guys will see me using. I love this mop, and so I went ahead and got a little replacement head for it already, and some crayons for Little Bear. He's like loving writing and stuff like that, and like just picking up markers, so just grab those. And we're gonna try out this new toothpaste for him. It's by Tom's. It's the strawberry children's toothpaste. So far so good. He loves it, and actually enjoys brushing his teeth with it. Also grabbed some Honest bubble bath. I love this bubble bath for Little Bear, so grabbed another one of these. It is a little bit on the pricey side, but a little goes a long way, so it lasts us for a while. So I think this is the last household item that I picked up from Target, but I just picked up a Clorox toilet wand, and I'm going to be trying this out again. I used to use this years ago in our first apartment, and I loved them then. I have no idea why I stopped using them, so I found it again, and so I'm excited to have something that I can just throw away after I clean the toilet versus, the brush or whatever. So yeah. So now this stuff is from Home Depot, and picked up just this little four-part roller set because we are painting. And I picked up this spackle here. It goes on pink, dries white, and it's just to kind of fill in all of the little holes or gaps or whatever in your wall, and make the wall nice and smooth again. I also grabbed one of these Wooster shortcut brushes. Love this brush. Oh my gosh, y'all. I love this brush. I've just purchased 2 more yesterday. Also picked up just some extra rollers. I really don't know, the roller replacement. I'm not really good at that. I just kind of grab what I see. And then this sidekick, y'all, this sidekick is amazing. So I have more to come on that. If you guys follow me on IG, you already know, y'all are ahead of the game. Y'all get the behind the scenes. We are painting the entire house, and we are using that sidekick. So yes, and yes, there will be more coming on that. So stay tuned, because I have a video coming up hopefully this upcoming week, just to kind of share a little bit more details around that. But yeah, we'll hop back into the cleaning portion of this video. If you guys like hauls and things like that, please leave me a comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. I love sharing things with you guys, so if y'all like it, then I love it, and we can keep doing it. So but I'm just here in Little Bear's playroom. I have a full tour of this space as well. You guys have seen me clean in here before. I love Little Bear's playroom. First of all, the size of it is absolutely perfect. It takes me like little to no time to clean up this space, even when it's at its worst, because the size of it is just so good. And then I could just put up all the toys. It's never really like filthy dirty as much as just very messy, but we have started letting him eat in here a lot more. He just sits at his table, watches his little movies, and eats his food at the table, and then sometimes sometimes play, you know, and then go back and eat. So there's a lot more food crumbs and things like that. So I do find myself having to wipe down a lot more items in here, but you'll see in just a second. As I'm just wiping everything down, I come in with the mop. So I do vacuum, mop, and I steam mop in here as well, just to sanitize the floors. So I do have this flooring linked in my Amazon shop in the description box. I highly recommend this foam floor. It's perfect for a children's space. So we do have the floor on top of tile, so it's not on rug, or it's not, excuse me, it's not on carpet, it's on tile, so it lays really flat. But if you guys are wanting to know a little bit more about that, feel free to check out the tour. And here is just an up close shot. I don't even know if you can see the chocolate milk that's slung across the wall and window, and just all the mess that is stuck to the floor. So this new mop that I just picked up is getting ready to come in handy. Alright, so now we're gonna hop into the kitchen, and it is a wreck, y'all. Oh my god. So I'm trying to do better at like actually picking up the kitchen, washing the dishes, at least kind of cleaning out the sink, all that stuff before we go to bed, so that in the morning it's just nice and clean and you can breathe when you come out of the room. But anyways, so I am just cleaning up in here. As you guys can see, we got some new cameras, some new security cameras for inside the house. So I am kind of moving all those things out of there. Bear was kind of testing them out in the kitchen. So I have my little tech bag for my laptop and everything. So I'm just kind of putting everything where it's supposed to go, instead of the hot mess that it was just a second ago. The sink. Oh my goodness. The sink is the worst after you finish cooking dinner. It is just awful. So Bear and I oftentimes tag team. Since he is the chef of the house, you will always, most likely always, see me washing the dishes, because you know I gotta pay my dues. I gotta do my part. If I'm not cooking, I gotta wash the dishes, right? Or vice versa. So me and Bear definitely kind of tag team in that effort. But I'm just gonna do my normal routine, wash a little bit, put in the dishwasher, and then let that go for the night. So I've showed my coffee station a few times on a couple of videos. I think I'm going to do a little more detailed review on the actual machine itself. I do have it linked in my Amazon shop down below, but I love this machine. And so now I'm just taking this time to clean up the coffee station as well as set a delayed brew setting for tomorrow morning. So I went ahead and set up the coffee machine to brew a half a carafe of coffee by, I think it was like 7:30 or 8:30 a.m. I can't remember, but I went ahead and set that, and it's a lifesaver to be able to do a delay brew. So you just wake up to the smell of fresh coffee.
Still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing like, ooh, we shot it.
And no, I do not mop every night. It doesn't get that good, but I already had this mop water from when I did the playroom, and I really wanted to try out this new mop in the kitchen, and it's perfect, y'all. I love it, love it, love it. But now I'm just going into the living room and just picking up. I recently did a good shampoo in here, shampooing the rug and the furniture, so it's still feeling really fresh in the living room. So all I had to do is just pick up this little obstacle course of pillows that Little Bear created and I'm all set to go. But I hope you guys got some motivation from this video. Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell when you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Drop me some comments down below. I'm loving chatting with y'all, and I hope y'all have a great rest of your night, morning, evening, all of that. See you next time.